Take it easy, Frankie. The roads can be very icy, remember?
Don't worry, Tom. Safety first, that's my motto.
I hope we don't get called out of the city today, Abby.
Me too. The roads there will be all snowed up.
Keep up the good work.
You're right, Petey. The snow clearers are doing a really good job.
Right, Max. I am now going to beat your record for the longest ice slide ever.
Good luck. 1, 2, 3, go!
No jumping now! Ow! Oh, hi, Bobby.
Max, can you get back here, please? A farm has been snowed in. I need you and Hayley to deliver bales of hay urgently.
OK, Bobby. I'll be with you straight away. Sorry, guys. Emergency. I have to go.
OK, see you, Max.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, hi there, Max. Would you believe it? The moment the snow comes and it's really hard to move about, everyone decides to send extra letters and parcels. This bag is so heavy.
It looks it, Kimmy. Listen, I have to dash, I'm afraid. Good luck, though.
Bye-bye.
Oh, I could do with a hot drink.
Good idea. Let's go home.
I don't believe it. You've remembered the key.
OK, first of all, we have to pick up the bales of hay, then take them to the farm.
Let's go.
Hey, look at that.
Ooh,
There's another.
and another. Look, they're like giant footprints.
And they're a really long way apart.
It's like they've been made by some enormous animal with a long stride.
Some kind of snow creature.
A Yeti.
But Yetis don't really exist, do they?
Well, maybe they do. Something does, and I'm going to find it, because I'm the best Yeti finder in the whole wide world.
Bobby to Ted.
Ted here, Bobby.
Minor accident, Ted. Someone's fallen over on an icy road and hurt their ankle. Can you attend?
No problem, Bobby. Where is it?
A village on the north side of the city. I'll get the exact location for you.
OK, thanks, Bobby.
A call out to the countryside. Just what we hoped wouldn't happen.
It has to be a Yeti. If we follow the footprints, we'll probably find it.
Yeah! Will it be friendly?
And definitely.
Maybe we should tell Tina and Ted.
No!
Don't you want to be the first person in the City of Friends to meet a Yeti?
Well, I'm not sure. I mean, Yetis are really big, aren't they?
Yes, but they're really furry too.
And really cuddly. You'll love it.
Oh, okay. But you two go first.
We must be really close to it by now.
It must be just round the corner.
I'll have a look.
Okay, be careful though.
Oh, look. It was just that dustbin lid falling off.
But what made it fall off?
Maybe the Yeti knocked it off.
But then we'd have seen it.
Maybe the lid just jumps off by itself.
So, who's going to look round the corner then?
The animals will be pleased to have all that hay.
Yes, it should last them ages. Let's go home.
Oh, I wonder what they're up to.
Hi there. What's going on?
We're tracking a Yeti!
A Yeti?
It's just round the corner. We followed its footprints up to here, see? And then they go on round the corner. So they do. I wonder what can have made them. I don't think it can be a Yeti because Yetis are imaginary animals. But it does look like there's a very large creature on the loose. No, hold on, Timber. Tiffany to Max and Haley, I've got a job for you.
Go ahead, Tiffany.
Can you see some big footprints in the snow?
Yep, got 'em.
We need to know where they go and what's making them. I think there's a large animal on the loose.
Leave it to us.
Jump in there. We'll follow them.
Good idea, Petey. You can come too, Mia.
Race you. We've come to the end of the trail. Can't see any large animal, though.
But Timmy must be somewhere around because her postbag's here.
That's odd. The footprints just stop.
Thanks, Max. I'll take it on from here.
Okay, see you.
What have you found? Have you found a Yeti yet?
No, the footprints just stop.
Oh, but Kimmy's here.
Well, yes, but where?
Kimmy!
Kimmy!
Oh, she'll have found the Yeti. I wanted us to find it first.
Maybe the Yeti has eaten Kimmy because she wouldn't stop talking and then...
Hello there! Why all the shouting?
Guess not.
Oh, there you are, Kimmy.
Here I am, yes. Can't a girl pop in for a quick couple on her rounds without search parties coming out?
But have you found the Yeti?
Yeti? What are you talking about?
Oh, no. Now I get it. There's our footprint. See? Only it's not a footprint at all. Oh, I don't believe it. All we've done is follow the dents in the snow made by Kimmy's post bag. So there isn't a Yeti? Afraid not, Mia.
Oh! Oh! And we thought we'd found something amazing!
Well, you did. You found me.
Yeah.
You are lovely, Kimmy, but you're not a big furry snow creature. Though I suppose I was a teeny bit frightened about meeting one, even if it was going to be cuddly.
I was so looking forward to talking to a Yeti. Now what are we going to do all day?
Well, if you really are at a loose end, you could help me. I'm telling you, this is the heaviest post bag I've ever had to carry. So maybe you could each carry some letters to lighten the load and help me deliver them?
Yes, okay.
Yeah, sure.
All right then. I am the best letter deliverer in the whole wide world!
Would you believe it? Today's gone from being my slowest delivery day to my fastest ever!
Well, that's what happens when a Yeti visits the city of friends.
Make sure you shout really loudly, Tiffany.
Okay, no problem. Ready?
Ready?
Stand by. Emergency! Go, Max, go!
How did I do?
38 seconds.
Good time, Max. Thanks, G. No, it's rubbish. I've got to do better than that. Let's go again.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Okay. Go! 27 seconds.
Oh, that's only 1 second faster than before.
But at least it is faster. You're doing well, Max. Anyhow, I've got to go on patrol now. I'll see you later. Come on, Timber.
Thanks, Tiffany.
And remember, speed isn't everything.
It is to me.
To me! Pass it to me! Oh! Here, Jumpy! Ah! Oh, what a shot! Oh, sorry. Handball. Sorry. No, we mustn't do that. We have to keep the ball away from the road, remember? Sorry. Jumpy! Oh, no! Oh, I'm really sorry. That was my fault.
Now do you see why it's so important to keep balls away from the road?
Yes, I do, Tiffany. Oh, no, look!
Tiffany to Max. Tiffany to Max.
Hi, Tiffany. Max here. Receiving you.
Max, emergency! Emergency!
Oh, there it is. Come on, Scoot. We can do this. Yay! Got it! Oh! Max to Tiffany, I've made contact with the ball, but it's bounced right over my head. I wish I was faster.
I'm on my way to help you, Max. But I can't see any sign of the ball yet. Oh, well done, Timber. Yes, there it is. Max, we're going to try and cut it off. Careful, Max.
Oh, I nearly caught up with it. Oh, if only I was faster.
Honestly, Max, I don't think anyone could have got that ball.
That's funny. There's no sign of it. It's completely disappeared. We'll have to go and search for it.
Tiffany, to all emergency services, we've lost contact with the runaway ball in the hillside area. We're starting a search.
Oh, I'm sorry I've caused so much trouble, and we've lost the ball.
Don't worry, I'm sure Max and Tiffany will find it for you.
It's vanished.
I can't understand it. How does a ball manage to disappear just like that?
That's odd.
What's up, Raph?
Looks like a house on fire. Yes, it is. Emergency! Emergency! Fire crew to Frankie!
Let's go, Frankie.
Tom, the house is in the hillside area.
Okay, got that, Raph? The hillside area.
Oh, my goodness!
What? What is it, Raph?
I know the house. It's Tina's. Hurry, Tom. Raph to Tina. Raph to Tina.
Tina here, Raph. Did I hear that right?
I'm really sorry, Tina. Yes, your house is on fire.
Oh, Tina, that's terrible. I have to get there. Come on, everyone, jump in.
Did you hear that about Tina's house?
Yes, it's somewhere near here, just around the corner, I think. Come on!
Here's the key.
Stand well back.
Everybody over here, please! Stand well out of the way!
It's really strange. There's a lot of smoke in there, Tina. But it seems to be coming from your boiler fire. There's no other fire in there.
So the house isn't on fire?
I don't think so.
So why the smoke?
I suppose the chimney could be blocked.
I'll go up and see, shall I?
Good idea, Elphie. Thanks. OK, Elphie, up you go. What is it? What's so funny?
You'll never guess.
So tell us.
Oh, look! It's a ball!
Oh! It's our ball!
It was sitting on Tina's chimney pot.
So that's why there was smoke in your house?
You mean the ball was blocking the chimney?
Yes. The smoke from your boiler couldn't escape through the chimney as usual, so it came out into the kitchen instead.
So I haven't had a house fire after all. Thank you, Elphie. No problem, Tina. Here's your ball.
Oh, thanks, Elphie. From now on, I'm going to be extra careful when I kick a ball.
I'm sorry I didn't manage to stop the ball when I had the chance. I'm just not fast enough.
I think you did really well. The main thing is we all work together.
That's true. Teamwork. Like you said, speed isn't everything.
Wow! I never thought I'd hear you say that, Max.
Neither did I. See you.
What do you think Max is up to?
Ow!
Max, are you all right?
Oh, hi. Yes, never better.
What's that you've got there, Max?
This is Scoot's new improved siren. Just listen to this.
What just happened?
I think Max did.
Just a few little gremlins to be sorted out.
Max, stop messing about and get to work.
Yes, Bobby.
And where are you three off to this bright and breezy morning?
We're going for a walk in Friend Forest.
So we're going to see if we can find any rare plants there. We're going to take pictures.
Bye!
Mind how you go.
We will. Wow, here! Look what I found!
Jumpy, that's a bluebell.
They're about as rare as flies round a jam pot.
I knew that. Just wanted to make sure you were both paying attention.
Oh,
All right, but I bet I can find the rarest plant. Come on.
Now this is what I call a find.
That's a sort of mushroom, isn't it? A fungus.
Yep.
Isn't it beginning to get a bit dark?
Wow! Look at the time. We should be getting back.
Which way is back?
Maybe it's this way.
We're lost, aren't we?
Lost? Help! We're lost! Lost in Friend Forest and ah!
Hungry work, all this inventing. Need salt. And pepper. No. Oh well, just have to do without the pepper.
They should be back by now. I hope nothing's happened.
Oh, don't worry, they're sensible children. They'll be back soon. Oh, hello, Tiffany.
Well, you look pleased to see one of your best customers.
Oh, I'm sorry, Tiffany. It's just that we're a bit worried about Martin and Mia. They went to look for flowers in Friend Forest.
Yes, I know. I saw them earlier on. And they're not back yet. Well, don't worry. Timber and I will find them in no time. Timber's a brilliant tracker dog. Oh. Have you got one of their sweaters or a sock or something so Timber can get their scent? That's it. Good boy. Now seek. Seek, Timber. Don't worry. They'll be home before you know it.
Oh, I hope so. Thanks, Tiffany.
Now that's what I call a sandwich. That sounds like... Oh dear, poor Timber. He must have sniffed up all the pepper I spilt.
You spilt pepper? What for?
I didn't do it on purpose. Tiff, something the matter?
Just a bit. Martin, Mia and Jumpy are lost, and Timber was tracking them down. But thanks to you and your pepper...
Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, Timber. Oh. Still, not to worry. I'll find them. I'll fetch Hayley and we'll search the forest for them.
And we'll get Petey.
Where to, Tiffany?
Friend Forest. We've got some lost children to find.
Okay, Hayley. This is a red alert. Let's go.
No! Don't tell me that isn't a monster!
It's Hayley! Hayley!
Help!
Down here!
Hayley, over here! Hayley! Help us! Over here! Help us, Hayley! We're here! Hayley!
Oh, great. Hayley couldn't see us.
Oh, looks like we're stuck here.
Wait a minute.
Monsters?
No, just a great idea.
Oh, brilliant! Here we are, lost in Friend Forest, and Martin wants to take a picture!
No pictures. Just going to use the flash.
Of course, the flash gun. They might be able to see that through the trees.
Oh, it's no good. Your searchlight won't reach the forest floor. Wait, what's that down there? It looks like someone's trying to signal us. Max to Tiffany! Max to Tiffany!
You found them.
I think so. Someone's signalling from amongst the trees. It could be them. They're about 300 metres from you. Bearing 7 degrees, north by northwest.
I'm on my way. A lot of good that was.
It was a really good idea, Martin.
Yeah, pity it didn't work. What's that?
Oh no! I said the forest was full of monsters and...
That's no monster!
It's Tiffany!
Tiffany! Are we ever glad to see you?
Likewise, your mum and dad are being so worried.
Oh, Tiffany, how can we ever thank you?
Oh, there's no need. And I have to say, Max did all the real work.
Oh, he was great. Him and Hayley.
Mind you, he wouldn't have spotted us if it hadn't have been for your camera, Martin.
Well, we'll have to give Max a little something to show our appreciation.
I don't suppose you've got a spare pepper pot knocking about, have you?